In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this super simple pixel sorting transition in DaVinci Resolve. Note that this effect needs a free plugin, link in the description. The first step of this effect is to speed ramp your clips. I'll just quickly go over this since I've got many tutorials for this already. Open your first clip in Fusion page, press Shift plus space, and search for time stretcher. Make sure the first keyframe is on the first frame. Go forward and change source time to the maximum your clip allows. For me, it's 255. Go forward even more and lower the source time again. Open spline, highlight all of the points, and then after that, press S to smooth the graph. Copy my look. Go back to Edit page and delete the rest of the clip. Repeat this process for the other clip so they transition into each other well. Now for the transition, find adjustment layer and drag it over the two clips like this. Make it last for about 1 second or a little less. Open the adjustment layer in Fusion. Press Shift plus space and search for Pixel Sorter. Keep the sort by on luminance. Drag the dot from left to right all the way. Create a keyframe on the first frame. Move to the end and make another one. Go to the point where the clip changes and make a third keyframe. Drag the dot back towards left. Adjust the left dot until it looks good. After that, open spline window. Highlight all the points and press S to smooth it out. Copy the look of my graph. That's basically it.